How to enable How to save Snapchat photos to your gallery. For that, open Snapchat and tap on Bitmoji at the top left corner of the screen. So when you get access to your Snapchat's profile feed, you need to tap on gear icon at top right corner of the screen. Once you get access to your settings, scroll down and under privacy controls tap on memories. And now here under save destinations you need to tap on save button. And now tap on memories and camera roll or camera roll only. Once you have selected the destination to save your snaps, you need to get back and take a snap here. And simply you need to tap on the save button which is at the bottom left corner of the screen. And it has already been saved to your gallery. If you want to check, you can get access to your gallery. As you can see that the picture that I just took on Snapchat has already been saved to my gallery. So that's how we save Snapchat photos to our gallery as well. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.